Welcome back. Today I have a very lovely question for you. Minus 4 to the power 2 divided by minus 2 whole to the power 2 times 3 plus 1. We have to find a correct answer from the given 4 options. So let's see its solution. If we are using BODMAS PEMDAS, we know that first precedence goes to the bracket or parentheses. So we are going to solve the bracket first. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Rest as it is. In the next step, we are going to solve the powers or exponent. So we have to solve it very carefully. Minus 4 to the power 2 means minus 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16 and sign will be negative. This is equal to negative 16. And this minus 2 whole to the power 2 is different from that. It means minus 2 times minus 2. Here signs will be multiplied also. Negative and negative become positive. 2 times 2 is 4. That is equal to positive 4. If division and multiplication present at the same time, the precedence goes from left to right. So we are going to solve the division first. Negative 16 divided by 4 is negative 4. Multiply by 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Sign is negative. Option D is correct answer. I hope all steps are clear. If not, write in the comment box. Do like and share this video. Bye bye till the next time.